2025 SUVs the middle class should avoid buying. An SUV, sport utility vehicle, can be an excellent option for middle-class families who need ample space or prefer a vehicle that performs well in less than ideal driving conditions. However, not all SUVs are created equal. With some models priced well over six figures, they're not always worth the hefty price tag. For this article, middle class is defined according to the Pew Research Center's definition: anyone earning 2/3 to double the median U.S. household income. Given that the median household income in 2023 was $80,610, this means you're considered middle class if your income falls between $43,350 and $130,000 annually. Using recent Kelley Blue Book (KBB) data, Go Banking Rates compiled this list of 2025 SUVs that middle-class buyers should avoid. Number 1 car is the 2025 Audi RS Q8, starting MSRP $137,495. Like its 2024 counterpart, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 comes with a steep starting price of nearly $140,000. Assuming a $20,000 down payment on a 5-year auto loan with a 5% interest rate, the monthly payments would be approximately $2,265. For many middle-class households, this cost exceeds a typical budget. Additionally, the 2025 Audi RS Q8 offers only 16 combined MPG. This means higher gas expenses and more frequent trips to the gas station. Number 2 car is the 2025 BMW X7, starting MSRP $84,675 to $153,575. The 2025 BMW X7 is also expected to be more expensive than a standard SUV, though the final price varies depending on the trim. It achieves slightly better fuel efficiency with a combined 17 to 22 mpg. Keep in mind that luxury vehicles often incur higher costs for repairs and maintenance. Even if the potentially lower base price doesn't dissuade you, these additional expenses might. Number 3 car is the 2025 Volkswagen Taos, starting MSRP $26,420 down. In terms of price, the 2025 Volkswagen Taos seems like a great deal. However, it hasn't been rated highly, earning only 3.6 out of 5 stars from consumers on KBB. Customer reviews for the 2024 model were similarly low. It received a 3.4 out of 5 for performance and quality, and a 3.5 out of 5 for reliability. Reliability, in particular, is crucial since a lower rating could mean more frequent trips to the shop and potential safety concerns. One reviewer noted that the interior feels cheap in terms of quality, while another mentioned that German cars often have service requirements beyond more limited budgets. Number 4 car is the 2025 Land Rover Discovery, starting MSRP $61,825 to $81,425. On KBB, the 2025 Land Rover Discovery earns just 2.9 out of 5 stars from expert reviewers. Two of the most significant drawbacks are its poor reliability and low average fuel economy. The 2025 model offers 19 to 21 combined MPG, meaning you can expect frequent trips to the gas station. Additionally, other SUVs provide more cargo space, better mileage, and lower prices. Number 5 car is the 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric, starting MSRP $34,270 to $42,445, while the average price of a new car is $48,644, according to KBB. The 2025 Hyundai Kona Electric's price tag might not be a deterrent. However, price isn't everything. This electric SUV has a consumer score of 3.3 stars, with 40% of reviewers giving it just 1 star. Reliability and quality are rated low, and KBB describes this vehicle as underwhelming for an entry-level model, which may be reason enough to consider alternatives. Number 6 car is the 2025 Cadillac Escalade, starting MSRP $89,590 to $161,990. Price is a major reason to avoid the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. It also has a combined fuel economy of just 12 mpg, meaning you'll likely spend far more time and money at the pump than you'd like. As a luxury SUV, the Escalade offers numerous upgradable options that can significantly increase its base price. Additionally, annual repair costs are estimated to be around $1,000 for this make and model. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which SUV surprised you the most, or if there's one we missed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.